Hello, today we have got candy floss machine, so unbox it. First, what do we have here? So obviously the engine, not the actual heater cooker. Place this on top, make sure it's balanced. This one, it's like this. What else? There's okay, this is important. So sticks, obviously. And then finally, this to pull the floss sugar in, which I have right here. Floss sugar. Then, see this? You put this into it. See this tiny gap there? You put it into the middle, and then you'll see two lines, and you put it on top. Give it a spin and push it down, and then should be. Just take this off like that. Let me show you again. Okay, that won't be on properly. Spin it, push, and that is locked in. Then press that down a little bit. And then when you're actually doing the thing, turn it on. Press that, turn it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then use your table or whatever this is, spoon, and then use your floss sugar. Get like a hold of it. Make sure there's not any extra. And if you feel like it, don't put any more in, because otherwise it will start exploding. And then take it, put it. No, once you heat it off, once it's preheated, turn it off. Wait for it to stop. Put it in. Turn it on again quickly, and then wait 20 to 30 seconds before it starts like the round thing. And use your sticks, like only one obviously, and then go left to right, and then up, and then twist it. See, I'm holding it like that. And then up, and then you should have one big lump of candy floss or cotton candy. Thank you for watching, and hope that helped.